Workers harvest ripe miracle fruit berries from bushes on the farm.
A farm worker picks fresh miracle fruit berries from the plant.
Teams collect miracle fruit berries into baskets across the plantation. Harvested miracle fruit is gathered at the farm's central area.
Initial checks ensure only ripe miracle fruit berries are selected.
Baskets of miracle fruit are loaded onto trucks for transport. The harvested miracle fruit begins its journey to the factory.
The truck with miracle fruit arrives at the processing facility.
Raw miracle fruit is unloaded upon arrival at the factory.
Incoming miracle fruit shipments are organized in the receiving dock.
The berries move onto conveyors for initial processing.
Miracle fruit enters the sorting area for quality assessment. Workers sort the miracle fruit to remove any damaged items.
Damaged or rotten miracle fruit is discarded during sorting. Only the best miracle fruit proceeds to the next stage. Sorted batches of miracle fruit are prepared for washing.
Berries are submerged in water for initial rinsing.
High-pressure sprays clean the miracle fruit thoroughly.
Excess water is drained from the cleaned miracle fruit.
A final check ensures the miracle fruit is free of impurities after washing. Washed miracle fruit heads to the processing stage. The berries are pulped to extract the inner material. Extracted pulp from miracle fruit is gathered for further treatment.
Stabilizers are added to the miracle fruit pulp. The pulp mixture is prepared for drying.
Miracle fruit pulp enters the drying process. The pulp dries slowly in controlled conditions.
Dried miracle fruit material is taken out after dehydration.
The dried pulp is milled into powder.
Miracle fruit powder is sifted to ensure even texture.
Some miracle fruit berries are flash frozen for preservation.
Frozen miracle fruit emerges from the freezing process.
Processed miracle fruit undergoes secondary quality checks.
Quality control tests the miracle fruit powder for consistency.
Remarkable. The expected acidity is absent. It presents as highly saccharine. The transformation is instantaneous.
Frozen miracle fruit is checked for quality standards.
Only approved miracle fruit proceeds to packaging. Powdered miracle fruit is filled into containers.
Jars are sealed to preserve the miracle fruit powder.
Frozen berries are vacuum packed for freshness.
Packaging receives labels with product information.
Finished miracle fruit products are boxed for distribution.
Packaged miracle fruit is prepared for shipment.
Loaded trucks carry miracle fruit to market destinations.
The finished miracle fruit products are shipped out.
Back at the farm, new miracle fruit plants are sown.
Young miracle fruit plants receive water for growth.
Fertilizers nourish the growing miracle fruit plants.
Miracle fruit plants begin to flower in the fields.
Pollination occurs naturally on the miracle fruit bushes.
Developing berries form on the miracle fruit plants.
Farmers prune miracle fruit plants for optimal yield.
Miracle fruit berries ripen to a vibrant red.
Preparation for another miracle fruit harvest begins. The cycle of harvesting miracle fruit continues. Full baskets of miracle fruit are transported within the farm. Another shipment of miracle fruit leaves the farm. The factory receives ongoing supplies of miracle fruit.
Incoming miracle fruit is tracked with inventory systems.
Anton. Initial samples confirm the miracle fruit's quality on arrival.
Sorted miracle fruit is stored briefly before washing.
Washing solutions are prepared for the miracle fruit. Fans dry the washed miracle fruit berries. Cleaned miracle fruit is visually checked again. Machinery is set up for miracle fruit processing.
Some miracle fruit is sliced for specific products.
Sliced miracle fruit continues through processing.
Juice is pressed from the miracle fruit pulp. Miracle fruit juice is filtered for purity. The juice is concentrated through evaporation.
Concentrated miracle fruit is frozen for storage.
Advanced tests verify processed miracle fruit quality.
pH balance is checked in miracle fruit products.
Subpar miracle fruit is removed from the line. Quality passed miracle fruit enters packaging. Powder is divided into individual sachets. Sachets of miracle fruit are securely sealed. Frozen blocks are wrapped for protection.
Dates are stamped on the miracle fruit packaging.
Boxes containing miracle fruit are sealed.
Pallets of miracle fruit are secured for transport. Forklifts position miracle fruit for loading. Shipping documents are added to the miracle fruit loads. Finished miracle fruit is dispatched to markets.